Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have another Dollar General clearance event coming up soon, and I have all the details. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I'm not quite sure what's going on with Dollar General, but they are definitely trying to move some product because they have been rolling out these clearance events like crazy. We literally just had one on May the 12th. So here we are at the beginning of June, and we are going to be having another Dollar General clearance event. So this one is going to start on Friday, June the 9th, and run through June the 11th. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So go ahead and mark that down on your calendars. Find a babysitter, take a day off of work, whatever you need to do. Again, those dates are going to be Friday, June the 9th, Saturday, June the 10th, and Sunday, June the 11th. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is what is going to be included in this Dollar General clearance event. Well, first up, really exciting news. We have the POG clearance items included in this Dollar General clearance event. So what you want to be on the lookout for are these orange clearance 10% off stickers around your store. Some stores will have all the items marked and tagged and perfectly laid out for you, but some stores may not. They may not have one single tag put up, but if that is the case, don't worry about it. That doesn't mean that those items won't still be included at that store. I'm not even kidding whenever I tell you all, every single clearance event that rolls around, I always have people that miss out on deals because they think just because their stores aren't marked that those items aren't included. They will still scan and ring up the additional 50% off. So all of these POG clearance items will be an additional 50% off starting on Friday, June the 9th. Now, I know that some of you guys are probably sitting there asking yourself, well, if these items aren't tagged with these 10% off stickers, how am I going to know exactly what is going to be included in this clearance event? What does she want me to do? Just scan the entire store? Well, no, I don't want you to scan the whole store. All you have to do is stay tuned because I will have videos coming up for you guys all week long with visuals and coupon matchups for these items. All right, now next up, we also have the clearance section included in this Dollar General clearance event. So everything in your clearance sections will be an additional 50% off. Now this category kind of goes hand in hand with the POG clearance items because some stores will actually remove those POG clearance items from the sales floor and move them over into the clearance section. Or some stores will actually set up a table up at the front near the registers, and they will pull all those items up there for you. All right, now we also have some seasonal categories that are going to be included in this Dollar General clearance event. First up, we have the purple dot home items. Now, these are going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Next up, we also have the brown dot home items. These are also going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Now, I have already put together a brown dot home visual video, so if any of you guys are interested in checking that out, I'm going to have that linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now this next category is really exciting. We have the yellow dot toys. These are also going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Now, these are currently sitting at 70% off. However, starting on Tuesday, they're going to be marking down even more. So then on Friday during the clearance event, they're going to be half off of that already reduced price. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention that I have a yellow dot toy visual video ready to go. So I'm going to be dropping that one very soon. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And just to give you guys a little quick heads up, we are going to be looking at 95% off of these yellow dot toys during the clearance event. So again, make sure that y'all stay tuned because we have some amazing deals coming up. All right, up next, also included, we have our gray diamond socks. These are going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. And following right along with that category, we have our green star socks. These are also going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Now, also included in this Dollar General clearance event, we have select face masks, such as those Hanes face masks. Those are going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. And we're also going to have select hand sanitizers and wipes. wipes, but these are going to be 50% off of their regular price. Now, also included, we have the Memorial Day flowers. These are also going to be 50% off of their regular price. Now, also, during this Dollar General clearance event, we are going to have several categories on sale. So I wanted to go ahead and let y'all know about that. So first up, we are going to have select lawn and garden items. These are going to be on sale, buy two, get one for free. And this will include the lawn decor, planters, fencing, solar lighting, wind chimes, bird feeders, lawn furniture, soft-sided coolers, seeds, and bulbs. Now, we are also going to be having a sale on the Green Dot home items. These are going to be buy two, get one for free. And also on sale, we're going to have select sun care products. These are going to be buy one, get one free. And this sale will include the Wild Tropic and the Studio Selection sun care items. Now, before I let y'all go, I do want to go ahead and answer a couple of the most frequently asked questions. Number one is, will all Dollar General stores be participating in this Dollar General clearance event? Well, the simple and quick answer to that is yes. I'm going to say in general, yes, all Dollar General stores should be participating in this Dollar General clearance event. Now, can there be exceptions? Yes, as always, Dollar General has thousands and thousands and thousands of stores. You might run into a store where their system is down, they didn't reset the registers, things aren't ringing up correctly, so there are always exceptions to it. But in general, yes, all Dollar General stores should be participating in this Dollar General clearance event. Now, you guys can definitely ask your Dollar General employees if they will be participating in the Dollar General clearance event this weekend. However, if they tell you no, or they haven't heard anything about it, don't trust them, all right? Still show up there on Friday, scan some items. I'm going to give you all some UPC codes that you guys can put into your phone to check the items before you go out to the stores themselves. But I can't tell you all how many times I've been out at Dollar General clearance events and the employees have no idea what's going on. And they have no idea why certain items are ringing up an additional 50% off. So while we love and respect our Dollar General employees, just know that they don't always know everything that's going on. Now, the last thing that I want you guys to take note of is that while most of the Dollar General stores will be an additional 50% off of these categories that we've talked about in this video, there will be select stores out there that will be an additional 70% off. And then there's also a chance that you're going to run across some stores that are just simply, they're just doing their own little thing. So for instance, during the last clearance event, everything was ringing up an additional 50% off at my regular store, but at the register, they were taking off an additional 50% off or 70% off depending on what it was. So, if you guys plan on shopping at this Dollar General clearance event, the main thing to remember is to be prepared and do your homework. And y'all know, if you've been with me for any amount of time, your girl has you covered. So, I'm going to be putting out a ton of videos this week with visuals, coupon matchups, rebates, all of the things. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.